Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from your account in the Raceoption Broker using the Tether ERC-20 method. As you can see, we are on the main page of our account in this broker. To withdraw, we click on the video option, and as you can see, in the withdrawal methods section, we only have Bitcoin and Tether TRC20 methods available, and we can't withdraw Tether TRC20 directly. So we'll use an alternative method for the withdrawal. In the fund withdrawal section, as you can see, the total balance is displayed. Here we specify the withdrawable balance. In the next section, you choose your desired withdrawal method, and in this tutorial we're using the TRC20 method. Then you enter your wallet address. After entering the information, you click on the Continue option. On the next page, we are presented with a proposal in which we can receive up to 128% annual profit by investing our amount. If you want to invest, click on this option, and if not, you click on Not Now. As mentioned, if you don't have 3 times the amount you deposited plus the bonus from the trading volume, you'll need to pay a 20% commission, as mentioned. If you don't have 3 times the amount you deposited plus the bonus from the trading volume, you will need to pay a 20% commission. You click on the Withdraw with 20% commission option. You need to pay a 20% commission. You click on the Withdraw with 20% commission option. A code will be sent to your email address, and you need to enter this code. You enter the code that was sent to your email address in this section. And as you can see, our withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. To view the details of this transaction, you can click on the avatar. In the transaction history section, you can see the details of your withdrawal completely. So as you can see, our withdrawal operation was successfully completed, and you can check the withdrawn balance in your wallet. In the transaction history section, you can view the details of your withdrawal completely. So as you can see, our withdrawal operation was successful, and you can see the withdrawn balance in your wallet. Stay tuned for the next training. Goodbye.